sorry. What?
Ah! Stop it.
Captain, navigation console is clear now. Ship is answering the helm.
Sir, something off our starboard bow. The message says they're from Faces.